Congratulations on your purchase of the brand new Convoluted Mess Machine. Please, it is made from the highest quality components, the most natural ingredients, and yes, it comes with a warranty of some kind, but that will be voided if any of the following. Take a moment to read your instruction user manual. User note: compatible only with MS-DOS operating systems or Dyson vacuum cleaners. The Convoluted Mess Machine comes equipped with its own conveyor belt, entertainment headphones and temporal appreciation, ingestion and expunging system, soul, karaoke machine, internal coolant, filtration and altitude monitoring system, and the life-affirming quips designed to provide you with optimal performance when you need it the most, and that clean shave all men covet, whilst ensuring that anything that could go wrong doesn't, and if it does, or did, it won't. Because it couldn't, therefore it wouldn't. Ideally it shouldn't. Basic operation. At its most simplistic level, the Convoluted Mess Machine was designed to do something eventually, and it was purpose-built to excel at this. But it could potentially also do nothing if left unsupervised. See image 3CC3CE3DPD3CVE3 printed separately. To begin powering on your device, simply 1. Power on the device, power cable, power supply on-off switch, power supply mounting kit instructions, soldering iron, screwdriver set, screws sold separately. 1A. Then power off, then on again, and check the corresponding LEDs. 1-7 are blinking the rhythm from the default Scarborough fare setting correctly. Also check the 56K dial-up modem connection is stable and the altitude pressure gauge is nominal now.
Zweiter, steigen Sie in den Pilotensitz, verwenden Sie den Joystick, um sich in Position zu manövrieren, und stellen Sie sicher, dass Sie sich auf Augenhöhe mit Ihrem Gerät befinden. Starre ihm direkt in die Augen, ohne zu blinzeln. Dann, wenn möglich, von dieser Position aus alle Lichter in der Nähe sofort ausschalten, ohne den Blickkontakt zu Ihrem Gerät zu unterbrechen, während Sie ihm Nein zuflüstern. Was wir hier anstreben, ist ein sehr reines und konzentriertes Gefühl von total Unwohlsein.
3. Engage your device in a way that seems as if it will be reasonably safe to do so. If this does not seem possible, please see page 9372 greater than 16 using the provided clamp and blood satiation materials. 4. Ensure your device has a firm connection to your Amstrad CPC 464 personal home computer. 5. Your device should now be ready to operate within reasonable boundaries. Function modes. The Convoluted Mess Machine has infinite function modes and is resolutely unfettered, knowing no bounds in its cosmic quest to seek out, eat and excrete whatever it encounters, regardless of if it happens to be physical objects like a phone box or a planet, or metaphysical concepts like rank shame, or that new car feeling. You can select between the modes using the rotary knob located betwixt the banjo holster and the interdimensional window on the underside of your device. Here is a brief breakdown of the first several selectable modes. Mode 1, your device functions as normal.
Nothing to see here.
Mode 2, extrapolates the potential of your device and multiplies the effect of Mode 1. Mode 3, your device becomes a portable irradiated Z-list comedian and may begin poorly attempting to crack wise,
So I says to the girl,
making inappropriate comments to amuse itself and emitting Cherenkov light at any given opportunity, in spite of its higher functions, which it is fully self-aware of. See Mode 9. Mode 4, Karaoke Mode. Mode 5, alternates between Mode 1 and Mode 2, with Mode occasionally modulating the interaction. Mode 6, activates all of the above modes simultaneously.
so I says to the girl,
Mode 7, causes your device to gurgle out a murderous cacophony of every song and piece of music that ever was or shall be. Mode 8, life-affirming quip shaver mode.
Hey, that's funny. It seems to help me put my life in perspective. Thanks, mate.
Mode 9, disables the self-awareness of your device. In rare cases, this has been found to exacerbate Mode 3 and is arguably far worse, use with caution. Mode 10, summons the Knights of the Round with W summon and magic up material equipped for maximum damage. and so on. Explore and experiment with the modes to find new, existentially terrifying and irritatingly impractical functions. Safety notes. 1. Do not operate the device. 2. Do not make eye contact with the device in well-lit conditions for longer than the initial setup period. 3. Once powered on, then off, then on again, never power off the device. That would literally be killing it. 4. Do not speak to the device in any way other than instructed in this manual, unless instructed to do otherwise. 5. Do not indulge or respond to the device's attempts at humor. 6. Do not indulge or respond to the device's lack of attempts at humor. 7. Safely disengage from the device when finished operating and reduce its altitude incrementally. 8. Only feed the device absolutely anything. Do not, under any circumstances, feed the device something that could in fact be something that is not what you think it is but something else entirely. Like a jackhammer instead of a portobello mushroom, or an abstract concept like time instead of a nice shawarma. 9. Submerge the device in water from time to time. 10. Love your device.